We have over 30 injection molding machines and molds for more than 200 products. Each year we consume at least 3,000 tons of plastic to produce a wide range of keyboards and mice. Recently, more and more clients have been asking for custom patterns, and we are happy to provide that. Here's our 3D printing room. These two machines work around the clock, non-stop, from the moment a client submits a customization request to the design confirmation and finally to the trial production stage. We get it done in just 4 hours. We place a high value on product packaging as well. In our packaging department, our team can offer over 400 different packaging combinations. They are true experts in this field. We've been working with more than 10 packaging factories for over a decade. Our partners know every detail, especially when it comes to color coordination.